Hello, my name is Alonso Martinez. I'm a first robotics participant. This year, for the FRC Challenge, we were tasked with climbing up a pyramid for the Ultimate Ascension Challenge. There are probably many ways that we can do this, but we decided to employ the use of magnets. For our robot design, we have ordered a very powerful electromagnet. The magnet is capable of holding up to 200 to 250 pounds. We plan on using this to attach to the largest portion of the pyramid that we can possibly reach. We plan on lifting up the magnet with the use of a plastic scissor lift. The scissor lift extends about 5 to 6 feet. The magnet will be mounted on top of the scissor lift and it will be raised so that it can connect to the steel beam of the pyramid. The magnetic force of the magnet should be enough to connect to the steel beam. Once it does, we have to haul the robot to the top. The magnet will be attached to a Kevlar rope, and in turn, the rope will be attached to a winch. The winch is powered by two motors. As the winch spins, it will wind up the rope, and due to the force and torque of the motors, will cause the robot to climb up. We have calculated the forces required in order to overcome the force of gravity and to successfully climb up the rope, and we have consulted with our physics teacher, so we are confident that our system works. This is our design innovation for this year's first robotics competition. The first robotics competition was meant to be a fun and academic project, and we like to treat it as such. We aren't mean to one another. We don't criticize each other if someone messes up. We're just nice to each other, I guess. That's how we display sportsmanship. Although it is a competition, we don't believe in heckling the other competitors because that would essentially ruin the essence of the competition, which is to have fun and enjoy building robots. And if we lose the competition, then we lose with a sense of honor and dignity because we had fun building this robot and there's pride in that. Teamwork is an essential part of building this robot. When you have a large team, you get so many more ideas and contributions from the individual members that ultimately help you in the end. Multiple brains working together results in new ideas being presented, flaws being pointed out, which is essential in building a robot. And you basically just get different perspectives weighing in on what you are building that results in a robot that works better and is more efficient. In addition, having multiple people working on a project allows you to learn from those specific people. For example, someone may be good at C++ or someone may be good at physics, and when you work with them, you do gain a lot of experience and you actually do learn from them because you see what they are doing and you absorb it, you take it into your mind. When you put it all together, you get a convergence of minds that is essentially capable of doing anything that you can possibly imagine. Our team builds Spirit, again, by treating it as the fun experience it is meant to be. On the very first day that we received our supplies, we drafted and signed a robotic manifesto. It hangs over us and watches over us as we build. And it basically says, have fun, enjoy your teammates, and enjoy the experience. We also build Spirit by simply having a nerdy atmosphere. We are all kind of self-proclaimed nerds.
We tell jokes.
Yes, we tell jokes and we talk about Lord of the Rings and just anything nerdy, we will talk about it here, and it makes us laugh. Another thing that we do, typically on Fridays when we can, is we have robot building pizza coating parties. It is exactly what it sounds like. On Fridays, which is usually the day that we stay late for several hours and work on the robot, I bring pizza and Coke, and we essentially take a break from building the robot and we just eat and have fun, and some of the members play card games or play Super Hexagon or Mario, and it helps build morale and keeps the spirit up.